Hello everyone, let me introduce myself, Ranti Burmanalu, with NIM 20240090 with class HK24B, majoring in the Nusa Putra University Law Study Program. Here I want to present my paper assessment with the title The Influence of Globalization on Criminal Law Enforcement on the Role of the Judiciary with the following step. Um, which is the first I am discussing an abstract that provides the following. The first abstract globalization has had a significant impact on criminal law enforcement in Indonesia. This research aims to analyze the influence of globalization on criminal law enforcement and the role of the judiciary in dealing with transnational crime. The research results show that globalization weakened criminal law enforcement due to political and economic dependence, limited resource, and increase in transnational crime. The judiciary plays an important role in confronting transnational crime, but requires reform to increase independence, transparency, and accountability. This is research concludes that there is a need for international coordination and enforcement to the legal system to increase the effectiveness of criminal law enforcement. The form background. Number one, globalization and transnational crime. Globalization facilities crime such as money laundering, terrorism, and human trafficking. Number two, change in the structure of crime. Globalization changes the structure of crime from traditional to complex and transnational. Number three, economic and political dependence. Globalization increases economic and political dependence between countries, affecting the independence of the judiciary. Therefore, research purpose. Number one, analyze the influence of globalization on criminal law enforcement in Indonesia. Number two, identify the role of the judiciary in dealing with transnational crime. Number three, find solution to increase the effectiveness of criminal law enforcement. Number four, analyze the impact of globalization on the judicial independence. Number five, examining the role of international cooperation in criminal law enforcement. Therefore, benefits of research. Number one, provides an understanding of the influence of globalization on criminal law enforcement. Number two, help the judiciary increase the effectiveness of criminal law enforcement. Number three, provide information for the formulation of legal policies. Number four, increase awareness of the importance of international corruption. Number five, contributes to the development of criminal law theory. Number six, help increase judicial transparency and accountability. Number five, provides recommendation for criminal law reform. Therefore, practical benefits. Number one, help judges, prosecutors, and police understanding the influence of globalization. Number two, increase the judiciary capacity to deal with transnational crimes. Number three, help the government formulate effective legal policy. Number four, increase public awareness about the importance of criminal law enforcement. Therefore, theoretical benefits. Number one, develop criminal law theory in the context of globalization. Number two, provides an analytic framework for the further research. Number 3, increase understanding of the role of the judiciary globalization. The form research methods. Number 1, research type qualitative. Number 2, data score, court discussion, interview with judges and prosecutor. Number 3, analysis methods, content analysis and time analysis. Number 4, variables. Variables are divided into two. Number 1, independent variables, globalization, international ties, foreign direct intervention. Number 2, dependent variable, criminal law enforcement, discussion, effectiveness of law enforcement. The form research result. Number 1, globalization weakens criminal law enforcement in Indonesia. Number 2, international trade has an impact on increasing corruption cases. Number 3, foreign direct investment has an impact on increasing political pressure on judges. The form discussion, the results show that globalization weakens criminal law enforcement in Indonesia because number 1, differences in economic capabilities between countries. Number 2, lack of transparency and accountability. Number 3, increased political pressure. Next, I will discuss the conclusion from the topic I took. Globalization has had a significant impact on criminal law enforcement and the role of judicial power. These changes require adaptation in innovation in the legal system to face new challenges. The judicial must be ready to fight these changes by developing capacity, international cooperation, and developing law that are in line with global change. Okay, here the last thing I will discuss is the on where there are several contents of bibliography as flow. Number 1, Law Nomor 48 of 2009 on Judicial Power. Number 2, International Convention Against Corruption. 3, Central Bureau of Statistics. 4, Supreme Court of the Republic of Indonesia. 5, World Bank 2022. 6, Transparency International 2022. Number 7, Study A 2022. The Impulse of Globalization on Law Enforcement in Indonesia, University of Indonesia Law Journal. 8, Kusuma Atmaja M 2019. Law and Globalization Yogyakarta, published of Gajah Mada University. Number 9, Majuki P 2018. The Form. Number 10, Bardosono S 2017, Globalization and Law in Indonesia, University Indonesia of Journal Law.